Hello and welcome to Eazynappy Academy. Today we're going to be learning how to make lock extensions. This training takes 5 days and has 5 modules, and practice exercises are given to help you evaluate how you are progressing. But first, let's begin with what we will need for this training. We have provided you with a little kit that contains the following. The lock kit includes a scissors, a measuring tape, stencil, 2 crochet hooks, dreadlock samples, synthetic hair, and natural hair. The following are not provided but required: a relaxed mind, a cloth or apron to cover your clothes to avoid hair particles from sticking on them. Let's jump into basics. What are dreadlock extensions? Dreadlock extensions are interwoven or intermatted hair that looks like ropes. I know you have seen a lot of people with dreadlocks, but you haven't taken a closer look. Lock extensions are look-alike of the real deal. There are 2 types of dreadlock extensions: natural dreadlock extensions and synthetic dreadlock extensions. What differentiates one from another? Cost of production, raw materials, method of production. Cost of production. Synthetic locks are produced with cheaper material, making them cheaper to produce than natural lock extensions. Raw materials. Synthetic hair is used to make synthetic lock extensions, while natural hair is used to make natural lock extensions. Method of production. Natural lock extensions require more time to produce, unlike synthetic lock extensions. See you in the next module. Come ready to perform magic.